Roomie is our lightweight booking system, which uses Google Calendar to enable employees to book events and check room availability. When we book an event in Google Calendar and select the meeting room, the event is automatically and in real time visible on a touchscreen outside of the meeting room. This ensures that coworkers can see when a meeting room is occupied. To find meeting room alternatives, a list of available meeting rooms is easily accessible here. In case we're curious, we can also see the upcoming events here. Roomie makes it easy to book a meeting room without the need to have a computer with you. You simply touch the calendar icon on a touch device of your choice and choose a meeting duration. As a result, coworkers can now see that a room is used, both in their Google Calendar as well as when they stand in front of the room by simply looking at the screen. Sounds good? And you want to learn more? Get in touch.